Good morning and welcome to the Global Eye Morning Reflections. Stay away from negativity. Stay away from wrongdoing. Every morning we make a choice, not just about what we will do, but about who we will become. One of the greatest spiritual lessons our scriptures teach us is this: if you cannot stop what is wrong, at least do not become a part of it. Negativity does not always come in the form of anger or hatred. Sometimes it comes disguised as gossip, jealousy, dishonesty, ego, or the pressure to support someone simply because they are our own. But Dharma does not ask us to stand with people. Dharma asks us to stand with truth. Lord Krishna beautifully reminds us in the Bhagavad Gita that every person has the responsibility to uplift themselves through the right use of their mind. In chapter 6, verse 5, भगवान श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं, अपने मन को इतना सकारात्मक और संयमित बनाइए कि वही आपको ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाए। लेकिन यदि मन नकारात्मकता, इच्छा, क्रोध और मोह में फंस जाए तो वही मन आपके पतन का कारण बन जाता है। इसलिए अपने मन को सदैव धर्म, सत्य और सकारात्मक विचारों की ओर लगाइए। This means our greatest battle is within our own mind. If we allow negativity to enter, our mind becomes our enemy. If we nurture it with truth and positivity, it becomes our greatest friend. Lift yourself by your own mind. Do not let yourself fall. The mind can be your greatest friend, or it can become your greatest enemy. When we surround ourselves with negativity, our mind slowly becomes our enemy. But when we choose truth, positivity, and righteousness, the same mind becomes our greatest guide. The Mahabharata gives us one of the greatest lessons on this subject. Bhishma Pitama, Dronacharya, and Kripacharya all knew that Duryodhana was walking the path of adharma. They knew the humiliation of Draupadi was wrong. They knew greed and injustice were destroying the Kuru dynasty. Yet they continued to stand on Duryodhana's side because of loyalty, duty, or obligation. They were noble men, but by supporting the side of adharma, they also had to face the terrible consequences of the Kurukshetra war. The Mahabharata teaches us a timeless truth. Remaining silent in the face of wrongdoing or supporting it because of relationships does not free us from its consequences. Lord Krishna chose not to fight with weapons. He stood with dharma, because God never stands with a person merely because they are powerful or close to him. God stands with righteousness. The Ramayana teaches us the same lesson. Vibhishana loved his brother Ravan. He repeatedly advised him, return Ma Sita. Choose the path of dharma before it is too late. But Ravana refused to listen. At that moment, Vibhishana made one of the most difficult decisions of his life. He walked away from his own brother, not because he stopped loving him, but because he refused to support what was wrong. He chose dharma over attachment, and ultimately, Lord Ram embraced him with love and respect. What a profound lesson this is for all of us. If you can correct someone who is doing wrong, do so with love. If they refuse to change, do not become a partner in their actions. Do not support lies because they are spoken by your friends. Do not support injustice because it is committed by your family. Do not participate in gossip simply because everyone else is doing it. Walk away with peace. Sometimes walking away is not weakness, it is wisdom. Today, let us also stay away from another form of negativity, that is jealousy, constant complaining, criticism, and gossip. The more we feed these thoughts, the farther we move from God. Instead, fill your heart with gratitude. Choose good company. Speak words that inspire. Think thoughts that elevate. And always remember, when you cannot change a wrong situation, never allow that situation to change your character. So today, make one promise to yourself. I will never support wrongdoing, even if it comes from someone close to me. I will walk the path of truth, protect my inner peace, and choose positivity over negativity every single day. Because in the end, people may stand with power, but God always stands with dharma. Have a peaceful, positive, and blessed morning, and stay tuned to the Global Eye Morning Reflections daily in the morning at 7. Namaskar.